Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. First, you're going to need a hot glue gun, your initial letters, some leaves, acorns, paint, scissors, and a sponge brush. Next, you're going to go ahead and paint your letter whatever color you like, let it dry, and then I went in with this gold glittery type paint to paint over top of it, just to kind of give it that like shimmery effect. Now that we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and set it over to the side and allow it to dry.
20 minutes later.
Next, you're going to go ahead and center your letter wherever you would like for it on the board. Next, go ahead and trim off all the stems off the leaves. Now you're going to want to start arranging them however you would like, and you're going to be making an L shape on the lower left side. Now that we place them where we want to go ahead and make sure we glue the backs of these down. Apply a good amount of hot glue because you don't want these to fall off. Now we're going to go ahead and apply a good amount of glue, and we're going to stick our acorn right on top. Now it's time to glue down our letter. Once we have it placed where we want to, we're going to go ahead and place a bunch of hot glue on the back. Then we will flip it around and place it down. Now just repeat the steps that we used for down below onto the top part, this time making an opposite L. Now we're going to loop our ribbon into the length that we desire. Go ahead and trim that off. Next, you're going to tie a knot at the end, this making a complete loop. Now go ahead and flip your board over, and you're going to want to thread that through with the loop side, not the tied side. Then you're going to put the tied side through it, pull, and as you can see here, it makes it very secure, so that way when you go to hang things, it won't fall. And there you have it, super easy personalized fall decor. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.